Hey y'all, welcome back to Returning Grace channel here on YouTube. I'm Stephanie Lilla, and today I'm sharing a super charming DIY project for your garden, stamped copper plant markers. If you've ever started a garden, especially as a beginner like I did last year, you probably know how easy it is to forget what you planted and where. I wanted something practical, pretty, and durable enough to withstand our hot and humid Louisiana summers, and these DIY plant markers check all the boxes. They're water resistant, they age beautifully, and they add that perfect touch of vintage charm that blends right in with my terracotta pots, raised beds, and vintage window greenhouse. So grab your hammer and let's make something beautiful for your garden. Here's what you'll need to get started: copper plant markers, metal letter stamps, a hammer, scissors, painter's tape, and a fine point black Sharpie permanent marker. You can find the links to everything I used in the video description below and on my blog at returninggrace.com. Start by cutting and applying the painter's tape. Cut a strip of the painter's tape and use the factory edge as your guide. Place the tape along the bottom half of your copper plant marker. This will help keep your stamped letters nice and straight. Next, we're going to stamp the letters. Take your metal stamp and hold it at a 90-degree angle to the copper surface. Give it a firm but controlled strike with the hammer. You want it to be deep enough to make an impression, but not so hard that the copper bends or crimps. Continue stamping each letter of your plant name, spacing them evenly as you go. Don't rush, this part is so satisfying. Now it's time to add some definition. Once you finish stamping, use your fine point Sharpie to color in the letters. This gives each word depth and makes the plant names easier to read from a distance. Once you're finished, remove the tape and your plant marker is complete. Now just repeat the process for all your markers. Whether you're planting herbs, veggies, or flowers, these garden markers are a great way to label everything beautifully. I made these for my herb garden and they look so good in my raised beds. Don't worry if your letters or spacing is a little uneven. This just adds to the uniqueness and character and charm of each piece. Now it's time to add the markers to your garden. Once you're done, simply press the markers into the soil next to your plants. These little tags add so much character and are built to last through the full growing season and beyond. These little copper plant markers are more than just labels. They're like little pieces of garden art. They make such thoughtful gifts too. You can pair them with a basket of seed packets and gardening gloves, or you can even use them as a place setting for a garden party or wedding shower. The possibilities are truly endless, and I'll be sharing more ideas for these on my blog soon. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I'd love it if you take a second and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you can never miss a new DIY. I share creative projects for your home and garden every week. You can find the full written tutorials, supply links, and even more garden inspiration over on my website, returninggrace.com. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy crafting, y'all!